Good morning, students. How are you? Are you well? Good? Enjoying your time? But now buckle up yourself because your exams are approaching nearer and nearer, right? So, as you know, I am Rajesh Dadich, your mentor in English from Shivjyoti Educational Group, Kota. You know that? Today, we are going to start your chapter. We are going to discuss your chapter 19, and the chapter is simple, complex and compound sentences. Right? Simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentences we have got. But first of all, we have got to know in real what the term sentence means. What is a sentence? Simple. In your early childhood, in your previous classes, you all might have learned, you all might have been taught by your respective teachers. Students, a sentence is a group of words. In books also, you might have seen this definition. A sentence is a group of words, right? But do you think every group of words is a sentence? Of course not. So what are the properties, means what are the conditions that are necessary to make that so-called group of words a sentence? How can we say that a group of words is a sentence? What are the salient features? So in that series, have a look. We can say a group of words is not enough, but we should say a sentence is a meaningful group of words. A sentence is a meaningful group of words beginning with capital letter and ending with full stop, question mark or sign of exclamation. Have you got it? So these are some salient features to make this group of words a meaningful one, and in this way we can call it a sentence, right? So have a look. Different criteria are there to make this kind of sentences. For example, we can say assertive sentence, statement, declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, optative sentence, right? So that parameter is different. How? Because that depends on the mood. Out of what mood, notion, what notion does that sentence carry? Suppose I say, I'm a boy, I'm a teacher. This is assertive sentence. I'm not a teacher. This is also assertive sentence. Means an assertive sentence comprises affirmative as well as negative sentence. Got it? Then interrogative sentence, questions, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences and optative sentences. But now we are going to have different kinds of sentences, right? And they are based on their formation. What formation is there? What structure is there? So it all depends. Means we are talking about their structure as subject and predicate. Subject and object, subject, verb, object. This is clauses, phrases. So in this way, now we are going to learn this kind based on clauses and phrases. So have a look. First is simple sentence. What? Simple sentence, right, students? What is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is that meaningful group of words that has one subject and one finite verb. Or simply we can say that we may call this simple sentence the main clause also. Single main clause is always known as simple sentence. Simple, right? One subject, you can see, and is a student. This is predicate. One sentence, one predicate. So we can call it a clause, but we cannot right now because only one clause cannot be called clause, but that is a sentence. But more than one sentences, simple sentences, when connected, they may be called. Look here. Next is compound sentence. He is an Indian. This is complete in itself. His friend is a French. This is also complete in itself. But we can say this is main clause, this is main clause, and we have combined these two main clauses with the help of a conjunction. And what is a conjunction? But. You already learned what conjunctions are: linking words. Basically there are three kinds of conjunctions. You all might have been taught: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, right? So whenever two main clauses, this is only single main clause in the form of a sentence known as simple sentence, but whenever two main clauses are connected with one coordinating conjunction, students, let me tell you one coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction means fanboys, F-A-N-B-O-Y-S. So whenever these conjunctions are used to combine two main clauses, this type of sentence is known as compound sentence. Very easy, no complication is there, right students? So please do not keep anything wrong in your mind that they are tough, they are difficult, they are beyond. No, they are very easy. Simply one main clause means simple sentence, two main clauses connected with coordinating conjunction fanboys, compound sentence. But whenever one is main clause and the second one is subordinate clause, one is main clause, second one is subordinate clause, or subordinate clauses are there, more than one, right? So we need conjunctions whenever subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions have been used. So this kind of sentence is known as complex sentence. So you can see the tea is too hot. Of course, this is main. And for me to drink, subordinate. So we can say this conjunction, to and to, this is correlative conjunction. So students, whenever correlative conjunction is used, that sentence is known as complex sentence. Got it? So in this way, these are basic types of sentences. Now we are going to discuss exercises given in your book. So please open your book. So students, please open your book at page 115, exercise A. This exercise A, randomly a few sentences we are going to discuss. And first of all, we are going to discuss your second sentence. And in this exercise, what you have to do? You have to identify the given sentence. Means what kind of sentence has been given. Is it a simple sentence, compound sentence, or complex sentence? So I already explained how you have to identify. Okay students, whenever simple means simply main clause has been given, that is simple sentence, right? Whenever two main clauses being connected with coordinating conjunction fanboys, that is compound sentence. And whenever subordinating or correlative conjunctions are there, we can say that is complex sentence. Coordinating conjunctions or subordinating means we can say because, we can say so that, we can say to, hardly, scarcely, when, not only but also, both and, right? In this way we can say no sooner than. These all are complex sentences. So have a look. It was expected to be a steep climb, but we were not greatly worried. Actually, look, what kind of sentence this is? So first of all, let us find out clauses. It was expected to be a steep climb. This is complete in itself, right? So this is main clause. We were not greatly worried. This is also complete, means this is also main clause. Main clause plus main clause, and the conjunction is but. F-A-N-B-O-Y-S. B stands for but. So this is coordinating conjunction. So hence proved two main clauses being connected with coordinating conjunction known as, just tell me, what kind of sentence? C means compound. Simply you have to write C, CX or S. S for simple, C for compound, and CX for complex. So we can say this is compound, or you may write simply C as given in the instruction, right? Next, the weather was so pleasant that we did not feel the strain at all. Have a look. One clause is the weather was so pleasant and we did not feel the strain at all. So two clauses are there. One is subordinating and one is main clause, and conjunctions are so that, and they are correlative conjunctions. And what I told you, two clauses, one is subordinate, one is main, and the conjunction is subordinating conjunction or correlative conjunction, that is complex sentence. So here we can say this is a complex sentence. Okay students, or we may write CX like this. Got it? Now open your book at page 116, exercise B 116. In this exercise, some sentences have been given to you and you have to change them into simple sentence. Means you have to combine them into simple sentence. Have a look. The jewelry was pretty. 1. The customers liked it. Again 1. Like it means like the jewelry. Okay. Now we have been told, we are expected to combine them into simple sentence, right? Simple sentence. Have a look. No conjunction is required in simple sentences. Only one main clause we have to make, and that is the customers like the pretty jewelry. Look, the jewelry was pretty, the customers liked it. So we can say the customers liked the pretty jewelry. Simple sentence, right? No conjunctions are there. Simply we have converted into simple sentence. I hope you might have got this exercise. So students, have a look at exercise C. In this exercise, what you have to do? Just have a look. The instruction is exercise C. In this, we have to change into complex sentences. Means some sentences have been given to you in pairs and you have to combine them into complex sentences. Have a look. Page 117, sentence number 2. The children were happy. 1 means one sentence of the pair, and another sentence of the pair is they did not have any homework. So we have to change these two sentences into complex. Complex, once again, every time I repeat, I remind you, subordinating conjunctions or correlative conjunctions, when used to combine one main, one subordinating clause, known as complex sentence. So look, the children were happy because they did not have any homework. This subordinating conjunction, so because they did not have any homework, has become subordinate clause, and the children were happy. This is main clause and the conjunction is because. So this is complex sentence. One more. He lives in a village. It is well developed, right? So have a look. He lives in a village which is well developed. Which is well developed? Subordinate clause. He lives in a village, main clause, and the conjunction is which. Okay, this is also subordinating conjunction. So this is complex sentence. Now, right? So suppose you have been told to join these two sentences into and combine them into a simple sentence. Suppose you have been told, what you will do? Simple, no conjunction. So he lives in a village, it is well developed, so we can say he lives in a well developed village. It will become simple, but in this exercise we have to combine them into complex. That's why subordinating conjunction we have used, right? Let us switch to next exercise, exercise D, page 118. Okay, now Sentence number 2. In this exercise, we have to combine two given sentences into compound sentence. Compound means, once again, fanboys means coordinating conjunctions. Okay, they are 7. FANBOYS, 7 conjunctions fixed, that is right. So my sister likes eating oranges. I like eating apples. Then my sister likes eating oranges and I like eating apples. Some of you might be thinking, sir, can we use any other conjunction? Means any other coordinating conjunction? Yes, you can. You can write it in another way. My sister likes eating oranges, but I like eating apples. This is also, because but is also coordinating conjunction. So in this way, we have to combine them into compound. Okay, they both are main clauses. They both are interdependent. They both are not dependent on each other. Next is, she was unwell, she stayed at home. Okay, so how to write? She was unwell. So fanboys, last letter is S. S stands for so. So she stayed at home. It has become compound sentence. But suppose I ask you to combine these two sentences into complex sentence. How will you? Then we can say, she stayed at home because she was unwell. Because is a subordinating conjunction. So it has become complex sentence. Right, student? So it is very easy to make conversion from one sentence into another. I hope you have well got them, but still, if you come across any doubt, any confusion, any kind of petty doubt even, don't feel hesitation. Feel at home and discuss with us. We are always ready to help you out at Shiv Jyoti Convent School, Shiv Jyoti Ratkankra, Shiv Jyoti Srinathpuram, means Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota, right? So let me extend my best wishes to you all. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your academics. See you some other day with different topic. Till then, thank you.